Crafting Vicky here with you, and I've been blessed once again to be approached by a company that has amazing goodies. And not only do they have amazing goodies, but their prices are really affordable. And the products I'm going to share with you guys, the links are down in the description box below. They're also offering 20% discount with the code that they provided to me for my viewing audience. So hopefully you're gonna enjoy what I share with you. I had a hard time choosing what I wanted because there was a lot of choices. So but I made some that I know you guys are gonna love. And why? Because it's Christmas stuff. So they had these amazing charms for Christmas, and there's so many of them. So let's check it out. This has, does it say how many pieces? I think it might, I don't remember how many pieces it is, but it's a lot. And like I said, in the description box below will be the link to, I'm trying to make sure that I share with you guys all the different designs because there's a lot of them. I think you have 2 charms of each of the designs, if I'm not mistaken. But then from what I see, they're not necessarily the same color. Like for example, you've got these little bells, but one is green and one is red. And then got the beautiful trees. The trees come in all kinds of different shapes, and actually they seem to be pretty much different. Might be all different. That may be why. So you've got a lot of choices. It's going to be really hard for me to decide what to use and to not hoard them because they're just so pretty. I'm telling you guys, like, look at this little reindeer with the little bling. Isn't that cute? So we're going to be using these on Christmas cards. So you know, Christmas video cards coming up. I took last Monday off because it was Thanksgiving in Canada, so I wanted to spend some time with my family and just chill. That weekend I actually went to Quebec City and I saw my grandmother, my 103-year-old grandmother. So that was wonderful. I had not seen her in person since March 2020, so it'd been a long time, and obviously at 103 there's only so many years left, so it was really cool to be spending time with her. So these charms, I mean, oh, and they had a lot of other wonderful charms, but I went with Christmas because I know how much you guys love Christmas and love my Christmas videos, so thought it would be really cool. Then they had these gift tags, but I also thought they would be amazing on cards. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets, and 5 sheets, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 50 tags overall. So you've got the twine as well, but I thought these could be really cool on a card to decorate the card, because I'm always looking for ways of saying Merry Christmas and having it different. And this one here, and like this one here, and that one here, like they're really versatile for card making. So that's that. And then they also had some stickers, so I had to get some of the stickers because they're just so cute. They're adorable. So there's 2 sheets, and check these out. Aren't these just stunning? I love them. Love them. Love them. So I was really excited about these, and obviously I'm going to be pairing it with this. Then I also got this here, which is a die, but I thought it was just such a great die that it could be used for like stenciling or background making. It's just very pretty, and it's not too big, so just like a really fun size. And I'm looking around because I was looking for my little sidekick and wondering if it would fit in it. Not sure. I'm thinking it might be a bit too big. No, actually it fits. So see, it would go through the little sidekick. So if you don't have one of the big shots and big machines, this is a really cool thing. The sidekick is perfect for when you're doing little projects and you don't want to have a big machine. And the bigger machine, let's be honest, they're expensive. So if you're not sure how much you're going to be using it, the sidekick is a good choice. And then I just had to get these, guys. These are all, let me find where it is. Where is it? Because I've got a feeling I'm going to be making a mess. Seems to be, got a feeling there's something to stop it from opening. Oh yeah, there's tape here. And I can just imagine all the stuff flying out. Like, that would be totally the type of stuff that I would do. Okay, pull out the little scissors. So they had these little safety pins, but they're colored, and I love the shape of these things. These are just perfect if you're putting, like, let's say you're putting a ribbon on a card and then you want to put the little charm, and you don't want to have to use twine or something like that to put the charm. You can just put this here and put that, attach that to your little ribbon, your little bow, and voila, you've got something to hang your charm with. And it's a pretty one. Like, it's not one of those regular boring safety pins. So I love the fact that they have them in all kinds of different colors. So there's matte red, but there's also like the shiny one. So you've got the shiny green, the shiny red. You've got also the shiny, whoops, I took green again, a shiny teal, and you have a shiny purple. So really fun ways of hanging your charms from cards. So you know that we'll be using these in upcoming videos, because I will be making cards using these new supplies. And so I hope you go and check them out, and if you do decide to put in an order, use the code that I've provided. 20% is a really good deal, especially since the prices were already like really good. So I really hope that you've enjoyed and are looking forward to seeing me use these things, because you know, Christmas, it's coming. So get ready, guys. If you haven't been making Christmas cards yet, it's time now to really get going, especially if you're going to be sending a lot of them out. I know that with the times being the way they are, people really like having snail mail, and I also know that right now the postal system is really slow, so don't wait until the last minute to send them out. Get ready so that you can send them out like the first week of December. This being said, I never do that. My cards are ready, but I never write them in fast enough. But is that just me, or do you guys do that too? So love you guys. Go and check them out, Lifescraft, and all the links to all these products will be down in the description box below. Bye, see you soon.